These AI animal eating videos are going viral all over Instagram right now. And at first glance, you might think it won't even get views or monetized, but the reality is completely different. If you actually put in a bit of effort, make them engaging, and post them across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, there is a real chance to get traction. So, no more talking, let's get straight into how you can actually create these AI animal eating videos yourself. Let's get started. First, you will need the master prompt we created for this niche. You can grab it from our WhatsApp channel, the link is in the description. Once you copy the master prompt, head over to ChatGPT and paste it. After running it, ChatGPT will generate 10 different ideas and concepts for you. Now you have got full control. You can pick one of the numbers, type your own idea, or simply write more if you want additional options. For this video, I am entering leopard. Once it finishes generating, ChatGPT will give you both an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Start by copying the image prompt. Now go to Flow AI and paste it into the image generation section. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Switch to the video generation section inside the Flow AI. Upload the image you just created as the starting frame, paste the video prompt and hit generate. After a short wait, your video will be ready. From here, you can simply download it. And that's it. This is exactly how you can create viral AI animal eating videos in just a few minutes. If you want the exact master prompt I used in this video, comment Zorin below and I will send it to you. Stay tuned because I will keep breaking down more hidden viral AI niches before they get saturated. See you in the next one.